in our series with our talks with Dr. Udai Shankar Singh, an educationist of repute. We are starting our second day series, and today we are going to talk about education and how a student should prepare, how they should prepare notes, and things like because he has been through education and he has been associated with education for a very long time and very wide experience he has. So, Dr. Udai Shankar Singh, I would like to put a question. Tell us, how should the student prepare a subject?
So it does not matter which subject you are studying, you're going to do it the same way. So the first thing you have to do is to stay ahead. What I mean by that is, let us say that you are beginning the first semester and you're going to the first day of classes. Well, by the first day of class, you should have already read chapter 1 of the textbook. Now, you will not understand all of that chapter. You may understand some of it, but the point is you take a highlighter. And this is where I find a lot of students make the mistake of highlighting just about everything on the page. That is of no use. So what you have to do is read each sentence and get the main theme, and no more than 4 words in a sentence should be highlighted. And not every sentence should be highlighted. So you have to catch the theme. What is the person trying to teach you through that text? That comes with practice, obviously. Now, as I said, you will not understand everything. But you also, at the same time, write down questions about what you don't understand in that chapter. So that when you go to class and after the teacher has got finished, right, giving his notes or lecturing, then because you have already read the chapter, things in your brain will start to connect with what the teacher is saying. And you may still have some questions. That is when you ask the teacher for further explanation. The highlighted parts are what you make your own notes for. The teacher will give you notes perhaps, but at the same time, you must make your own also, because your own writing is better understood by your brain. I'm going to give you an example. Let us say that you are studying something as simple as the atom. So what you do, you write down the word atom at the top of a page. Then you draw 2 arrows from that word. You have written one word, 2 arrows. Underneath each arrow, under the one, you write down nucleus. Under the other, you just write E superscript minus, standing for electron. Then, under nucleus, you draw 2 more arrows. And then you write P superscript plus N and N superscript 0, standing for proton and neutron. Now, you have only written one word, atom, and another word, nucleus, and then 3 symbols. That is it. 5 things on a page. And now, at least in a superficial way, you have understood what an atom is made of, and that may be described by the author of the text on a whole page. So you're done with basically a whole page, or maybe even more. And all you have done is written 2 words and 3 symbols. And that is all you have to memorize. You don't have to memorize the entire page.
Suppose you are studying, humanities, any of the subjects, then what you do?
Now, the highlighting becomes very important. So now you have to understand every paragraph written has one sentence in it which we call the theme sentence. What is the theme of that paragraph? So when you read the paragraph, there will be one sentence. Usually it is the first, sometimes it will be the second. That sentence is expounded upon by the author in that paragraph. So you have to catch that sentence but you still don't highlight the whole sentence. You only highlight what is the author trying to say to you. And again, the rule is 3 to 4 words maximum.
Thank you, Dr. Singh. That has been very educative, and I hope the students benefit from it. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.